This video is going to go over how to activate your GateKeep Pro license and link it to your computer. Assuming you already have GateKeep Pro installed, you can go to options from here by clicking this, or you can click the icon in your extensions bar to get to the options page. And once you're here, right here, you're going to use the email address that you used to purchase the key. So I'm going to add mine right here. And then after you add it, you click the send sign-in link. The important part here is that when you do that, you use the email address that you purchased your key in. And also, when you open up the link for the email, you have to open it up in the same Chrome browser that you're using it in. You can't open it up. Well, you can open it up in like Safari or the actual mail account somewhere. But instead of clicking that link in the email, you have to copy the link, and that link has to be opened inside this browser. So let's do that here. Click it. That's complete. Now when I go back to the options page, you can see I'm signed in right there. The next thing you do to link it is you're going to enter your license key right here. Then link license, and it'll be linked to your computer. Mine is already linked because I linked it prior to my computer. So if it's the first time using it, you're going to put it here, link the license, and that's it. Then it's linked and you're good to go. And you only have to do that once on the computer. Some people are having trouble. Most of the trouble is that they're not opening that link inside the Chrome browser. Has to be in the same browser you have it installed in. That's all. Thank you.